So, welcome back sa ating channel mga kadiyo.
So let me start with what the minority leader said as far as the uh, Blue Ribbon Committee is concerned and the order. Malinaw sa rules natin eh. A witness cited in contempt may be ordered by detained in such a place as may be designated by the committee alone or, andun yung or eh, or with the concurrence of the Senate President by either A, one detention order. So it's the Senate President has the power to do that.
Verbal lehis. Kapag ka very clear, plain interpretation, clear po yun. You do not interpret. Ang sinabi po sa Rule 6, a witness in contempt may be ordered detained in such a place may be designated by the committee alone. Alone. Ibig sabihin po, yung committee lang. Ano yung with? Kasama. With concurrence of the Senate President. Hindi nakalagay or the Senate President. So you ask all the lawyers here, they will tell you, ang ibig sabihin nito, pwedeng kumuha ng concurrence or pwedeng hindi. Yun yung or. Hindi po to committee or the Senate President. That's why if you go to the last paragraph, the order may be lifted by the chairman with the concurrence of the Senate President. The Senate President cannot lift ang nakalagay doon with the concurrence. Hindi rin pwedeng yung committee. So na-violate po rules natin because it was not the committee alone.
So, ito lang po ang ating news update ngayon mga kadiyo. And please comment down below kung ano ang masasabi nyo sa video na ito. And please, pakisupport naman ang ating Facebook page para magpatuloy pa tayo sa paggawa ng bagong news update. Maraming salamat po at magandang araw.